Imagine parking your RV at the edge of a quiet lake. The engine turns off, the world slows down. You open the door, step inside, and suddenly, everything changes. Instead of a tight, crowded space, you feel calm. The light is soft. The air feels warm. And for a moment, you forget you're inside a motorhome. It feels more like a modern luxury apartment than an RV. This is the kind of place where you take off your shoes. Make a coffee and sit back like you're home, not visiting. Not passing through, but actually living. That's exactly what the Hymer B674 SL is designed for. From the outside, it looks compact and simple. But once you step inside, you realize how carefully everything has been planned. This motorhome isn't about showing off. It's about comfort, balance, and real everyday living on the road. Built on the reliable Fiat Ducato chassis, the Hymer B674 SL offers smooth driving, solid performance, and confidence on long journeys. Hymer is known for German engineering, and you can feel that quality the moment you enter. Nothing feels rushed. Nothing feels cheap. The exterior is clean and purposeful. Strong insulation protects you in cold winters and hot summers. Rain, wind, or snow, this motorhome is built to handle it all. Large storage compartments line the outside, giving you plenty of space for bikes, camping gear, chairs, tools, and long trips. The doors open and close with a solid feel, which instantly builds trust. Big windows surround the motorhome, bringing in natural light and beautiful views no matter where you park. And even though it looks modest from the outside, inside it feels surprisingly open. When you step into the driver's cabin, everything feels calm and easy. The seating position is comfortable and relaxed, perfect for long drives. Visibility is excellent, and the dashboard is clean and simple. No distractions. No confusion. Once you park, both front seats swivel around smoothly, turning the driver's area into part of the living space. That simple feature instantly makes the interior feel larger and more social. Nothing is wasted here. As you move into the main living area, the apartment-like feeling really begins to show. The space feels open, bright, and peaceful. Natural light flows in from every direction, making the interior feel larger than it actually is. The seating area is well-shaped and comfortable, perfect for relaxing after a long drive, enjoying a meal, or even working on a laptop. The table is solid and practical, and it fits naturally into the space. At night, soft indirect lighting creates a warm and relaxing mood. This doesn't feel like an RV interior. It feels like a modern studio apartment designed for calm living. The kitchen continues that same smart design. It's compact but incredibly functional. You get a clean countertop, a sink, and a multi-burner stove that's perfect for everyday cooking. Storage is everywhere you look. Drawers slide smoothly. Cabinets are deep and easy to reach. There's a large fridge big enough to support full-time living. You can easily store food for several days without feeling limited. This is a kitchen built for people who actually cook while traveling, not just for quick stops. As you move toward the rear, the sleeping area feels quiet and private. The bed is large, comfortable, and supportive. This isn't a temporary sleeping solution. This is a real bed designed for real rest. You can stretch out, turn around, and sleep comfortably every night. Storage cabinets surround the bed, offering plenty of space for clothes, bedding, and personal items. Windows and ventilation keep the air fresh, making the bedroom feel calm and inviting. After a long day on the road, this is exactly where you want to be. Then there's the bathroom, one of the biggest surprises in this motorhome. In many small RVs, the bathroom is a compromise. Tight space, tiny showers, wet floors, but not here. The Hymer B674 SL offers a large, comfortable shower that actually feels usable. You can stand up straight, you can move freely. You can enjoy the experience. The bathroom is bright, clean, and well ventilated, making daily routines easy and comfortable. For anyone considering full-time RV living, this alone is a game changer. What truly sets this motorhome apart are the small details. Hidden storage spaces, smart lighting controls, excellent insulation. Every inch has a purpose. Nothing feels random. This is where Hymer's experience really shows. This motorhome is designed for people who live on the road, not just travel occasionally. So why does the Hymer B674 SL feel like a luxury apartment? Because it's perfectly balanced, it's compact but open. Luxurious but practical. Comfortable without being excessive. It's ideal for couples, solo travelers, or anyone who wants to slow down and truly enjoy the journey. Compared to many motorhomes in this size, the Hymer feels calmer, quieter, and more refined. Now I want to hear from you. Could you live full-time in the Hymer B674 SL? Does this motorhome feel like a luxury apartment to you? Let me know in the comments below. The Hymer B674 SL isn't about rushing from place to place. It's about freedom, comfort, and feeling at home, wherever you park. It proves that you don't need a huge RV to live well on the road. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button. Subscribe for more motorhome and lifestyle reviews, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.